Hey y'all, I'm Panky. Today I'm going to talk about a few year-end moves you might want to consider making. So first, consult with your financial planner to see if a Roth conversion is making sense for your portfolio. A year with a down market can be a good year for Roth conversion, and this is because if the value of your account goes down, you are converting less money, and when the market ultimately rebounds, you'll have more shares potentially to grow in a tax-free vehicle. Number 2, make sure that you keep good records with your HSA health savings account. So for me and my husband, we are saving and investing the money in his HSA, and we're not using the funds in the HSA to pay our medical bills just yet. So if you're like us, you are growing your funds in your HSA and you're planning to use the funds in your HSA in a future tax year to pay out the medical bills, then you want to make sure you maintain good record keeping. That means you want to save all your receipts for medical bills, your explanation of benefits EOB, and all your monthly or quarterly HSA statements. Next is about FSA flexible spending account. Unlike an HSA, you won't be able to roll the funds in your FSA year over year. That means you have to use up all the funds in your FSA by the end of the year, or you lose the money. Some companies will give you a grace period, so by the end of the grace period, you'll lose out the unused funds in your FSA. Number 4, I'm so passionate about this one. So you want to create a yearly budget for next year. The reason I'm advocating for a yearly budget in addition to a monthly budget is because it will give you a chance to review your finance for the past year and start creating a vision for next year. For example, I would use the opportunity to set up all the sinking funds for next year. Number 5, check your tax withholding to see if you are on track to cover all your tax liability for the year. You might still have a little time to adjust your tax withholding, but if not, just remember to set aside some money for taxes coming April 15 next year. Last, track your net worth. For some people, they are tracking their net worth periodically. For me, on December 31st every year, I would find a time and sit down, and I would go into each of our retirement accounts, brokerage account, and our savings account, and write down the number for each account. Once I have a number for each of these accounts, I will add up the total. This will be our net worth at the end of the year and also our beginning number for next year. Okay, this is so much I have for today. Bye!